Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis a couple times last week, but want to get things updated as the main question right now is, hey, Clay, where's the bottom of this thing? And you know what? That's a fantastic question. I already established from previous videos that the bears are in full control, at least in my opinion, until the price can not only break above that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, but also maintain above it. And as it stands right now, the price isn't even close to that purple line. So the point of this video is just to try to map out where some potential bounce points are, where some potential areas of support are, because as far as resistances are concerned, already talked about it, nothing new has changed. Key level of resistance, like I said, that purple line, 50-period simple moving average. Now, in regards to levels of support, because the price is essentially at all-time new lows, we're going to have to use a tool known as Fibonacci extensions. And first thing right off the get-go, by no means am I suggesting that any of this is some sort of, holy grail or, write it in blood, write it in stone. This is just the analogy I always like to use. It's like using a flashlight out in the woods. It's going to help you see, but there's not a guarantee that you still might not fall off a cliff or something like that. So as far as the Fibonacci extensions are concerned, and again, this is just taking how the price has moved in the past and then projecting them, forward, is right now 269. So we'll just call it 270 as a potential level of support. And actually, that's doing a good job right now. So this initial Fibonacci level is indeed holding as support. So nice little sign right there. Now, is that a guarantee that this is going to continue to hold? That remains to be seen. But in the event that the downwards pressure continues, according to how the price has moved in the past, and then projecting that forward, like I said, next level of support down there at the Fibonacci level of $2.42. So as it stands right now, 270 doing a good job of holding it as support. But in the event, the bearish momentum just continues on down, next potential, level where the price could bounce or find some, buyers down there at $2.42. So a lot of bearishness in this one, but, the interesting part with, these very beat down stocks is they can go on some pretty crazy bounces. Who knows if that'll happen, but always worth keeping an eye on. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.